Hi guys, welcome back to Explorer Life. My name's Craig. If you're new, please subscribe, it helps me out, and let's get on with today's video. So in today's video, I've got a new drone. It's a Holy Stone drone, the HS720E. This is the drone right here. It's a foldable drone, so it folds down nice and compact. As you can see, the wings fold out like this, and then they fold back in nice and compactly. So I got this a few days ago. I've only flown it around the house and in the back garden, and the video you're about to watch is my first flight with it. So me and a few mates took it out to Lunt Meadow Wildlife Sanctuary. It's a open lake and field for ducks, birds and other wildlife. One of my mates took his drone, but he had a nightmare. He has 5 batteries and not a single one of them was charged, and that's pretty much my fault. I gave him late warning. I only told him about half an hour before I was planning on going, so he had no time to charge his batteries and didn't expect it at all. So in this, you're going to see him flying his drone, but it's very limited as he could only fly for a couple of minutes. Also, the audio in the first half of this cut out, so I have no audio for any of the videos in the first half of this video, so I've just left it out completely. So you won't see me talking until near the end, as I have no audio, so it's pointless. So I've just got clips of the drone flying, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with the video. We've come into the woods to have a go at the drone, and we used to camp here when we were kids. Like when we were in high school, we were about 15, 16, we used to be out here every weekend just camping with nothing but a tent, sleeping bags, and then a fire we'd make, and maybe marshmallows or burgers or something to cook over. And it's just bringing back memories of better times when we were kids and we had no worries, and you know, everything was fun. David took us down a path of thorns and nettles because he thought he knew the way out, and clearly,
This is the way out.
well, yeah, it might be the way out, but we got to walk through thorns and that to get out. So, and Jack, that's staying in. I'm not taking that scream out.
What?
I'm not taking that scream out.
Are you filming?
Yeah, that's staying in. We're just on our way back to the cars now. The sun's setting, so it's going quite dark. So you're probably not going to be able to see me very well. Well, you can see me obviously, but the quality's not the best because I'm filming on my phone. And I think I'm going to end it there, and then I'll see you later. Well, there it was, guys. The HS720E. It's quite a good drone. The battery life's around 25 minutes. The range is 1600 meters, I think, in distance, and then in height it's about 500 meters, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm right on that. Quite a fun drone to fly. It was quite fast, not as fast as some stunt drones, but for the weight of it, it was quite quick, and the build felt quite sturdy and quite reliable. The camera was quite good as well. This does come in 4K video with video stabilization, although I wasn't shooting in 4K. One of the reasons I got this drone is just so that when I do these videos, I can get aerial views just to make the videos better for you guys watching. And also it's fun for me, but mainly it's just to get better shots of like cities or mountains, shots that I wouldn't be able to get from the ground. That's the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and as always, keep exploring.